After a long day of harvesting and washing and processing and packaging produce, the last thing you want to do before market is to have to clean up this entire workspace. You're tired and you just want to get some sleep so you're fresh for market, which is a good thing, and you need to be fresh for market. But you also need to make sure that you're keeping your food processing and preparation area clean and sanitized. And luckily the bubbler takes about a minute to take apart and get sanitized and clean so that it's ready to go for the next processing day. So all you have to do is remove those two wing nuts and washers, and the bubbler slides right apart into two pieces. Next we rinse down the top and bottom plate, make sure that we don't have any stuck fluid to it and dirt, and then we spray it down with some alcohol. We leave the two pieces separated and open in the bottom of our wash basin so they can air dry. And before we start washing for our next market, we'll just put it back together, and that's all there is to it. Clean produce and an easy to clean bubbler. What more could you ask for?